You won't believe what I'm making with these simple ingredients.
We're starting with just one humble potato.
Mash it until it's soft, smooth, and fluffy.
Flavor boost. Now let's give this simple potato a serious flavor. Here's where the magic starts. Corn flour and a little wheat flour. It should be thin enough to flow like this. Heat your pan and use only a tiny bit of oil. And now we're turning it into an edible little cup. Look at that! A crispy cup. Now fill this crunchy cup with our spicy potato mix and just a few drops of lemon. For that, a little chaat masala, chili, and coriander. Now we're just look at these golden, crispy little cups. Crispy, spicy, budget-friendly. Would you try this?